Hey guys, what's up? Welcome on another delivery trek with us. This time we're delivering to this customer. I met this customer in a supermarket. We're telling him that listen, we have a new shipping company. We offer online tracking and we also give you text alerts. And he was like, huh? Alright, I'm gonna sign up because he was having issues with another shipping company where he lost a couple of packages. And that's because they don't track the packages. But we we track your package every step of the way, ensuring that you know where your packages are along every path. Okay? And guess what? We are in Elsha Hills. Look at this view. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. This is beautiful. Alright, let's go deliver the package. Too much sightseeing.
Oh,
Yeah. Are you ready?
Leave it
It's alright. I can take a picture of you holding the package. Alrighty. Everything good?
Yeah, most things so far.
Yeah, man. You're on the track.
On time.
Yes, man. Always.